Hi there, this is Yuri Weide-Market. You've probably guessed it by now, but I'm no guru, I'm no expert. I know very little or nothing about finances. I haven't been taught it, I haven't been educated in it. I'm just a regular, everyday guy with a full-time job trying to improve my own finances and sharing my knowledge and experience with you along the way. Before I sign off for the night, I thought I'll share this Instagram post I saw with you. It goes like this. Someone made $1 million from copywriting. Someone made $1 million from selling ice cream. Someone made $1 million from real estate. Someone made $1 million from e-commerce. The truth is, there is no best way to make money. Every business works if you put in the work. You have to find what works for you. My question to you is, what are you doing to improve your finances? Or are you happy living from paycheck to paycheck? If you're not, leave a comment below and we can have a chat about it. I may have some ideas that you might like. If you have some ideas, share them in the comments and give other people ideas on how to make some extra income. I hope you enjoy this channel. Please subscribe.